We are loaded down. We're going full blast right now. We can't get through this current. It's crazy. There's all this weight in the boat. We can't get above the water. We can't get past it. That's nuts. We gotta get out of here before we run out of gas.
That's so gross.
That bird right there just shit on you.
It's supposedly good luck.
Right there.
We're one in the bathroom.
Yeah, in Italy.
Ew. Side pony.
Side pony.
Side pony.
How are the shoes?
They're scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, boat guys. See?
Thanks, Vinny. Do a little cheers right here.
What do you think?
That's fun.
She's asking if I want some. Let me think about that. Sign me up.
Oh, you want Uncle Vinny to hold you? Oh, you want Uncle Vinny to hold you? Hold him like a football.
My baby. Arthur's about had it with this bag right
Just
now.
about had it. Boxes and bags and stuff down the floor. We already provisioned, but we're provisioning again.
We got fresh stuff. Thanks, Vinny, for letting us use your Jeep. It was a lifesaver.
Yeah, lifesaver.
Come on, Tetris man.
Looking at it. Arturino, you ready, buddy? Wanna go to the boat? I'd say that's a yes.
Yeah.
Nice. Get him. You tell him who's boss from the dinghy.
We keep growling.
We are loaded down. We're going full blast right now. We can't get through this current. It's crazy. There's all this weight in the boat. We can't get above the water. We can't get past it. That's nuts. We gotta get out of here before we run out of gas.
The Adventures of King Arthur.
Look at King Arthur as he is shuttled to shore by his most trusted servant. Even though the king is accustomed to a much higher standard of transport, he has forgiven his servant for providing an all but derelict vessel for his visit ashore, given the circumstances. The king has journeyed to the outer islands of his kingdom to survey the damage of God's unrest with his own eyes. Because Arthur is the chosen king, all those who fail to follow the king's demands are punished by God's wrath. At least, that is what King Arthur believes. Here in the village of Key West, there is an abundance of deviants, vagrants, and scallywags referred to as key critters. Though the king believes these defectors deserve their fate, he is not without empathy. Perhaps his biggest weakness. He knows now is not the time to be controlled by his emotions. There is work to be done. Look as he waters the last remaining tree on the island. A true hero.
Moving day. We're finally leaving Key West. We're getting ready, starting up the engine, getting her warmed up. My little Quidditch player is making breakfast over here. Hey, what are you making?
I'm making spam and eggs. I know.
Spam with eggs. It's awesome, by the way. Spam with bacon, it tastes like bacon. So we're taking full advantage of today to sail up to Bahia Honda State Park for a little bit, and then a night or two, then we'll go to Marathon in Boot Key Harbor.
Breakfast is ready.
Looks good, baby.
Thing ever. We're seeing all these huge turtles. This water is so clear.
Super calm.
So how nicely we can enjoy this out here instead of being stuck in the
So like glass out here. We're on the Atlantic side. It's kind of crazy, and the water's so clear we can, you know, when we're in like 20 feet of water, we can see the bottom.
crazy because I've never experienced that, at least here.
Yeah, like we're going over these huge tortoises, and you know we spook them, and they're just sitting on the bottom, and then they'll just take off. It's pretty awesome. Actually. The downside to all this is that we're motoring. But we're going easy. We're just, you know, motoring at about 5-6 knots. And we got about less than 2 hours to go. So it's a nice, easy day. It's really relaxing. It's beautiful. And we'll get to our anchorage, drop the hook in time for a cocktail and make some dinner and bring the king ashore to do his royal duties.
via Honda, and we are on our way to Boot Key Harbor in Marathon. Yeah, we were going to stay a couple days, but the park is closed, so we can't take Arthur to shore. And also, it's kind of messed up from Hurricane Irma, so they're still cleaning up, and there's kind of a funky smell, lots of trees down and debris still, and there's lots of little gnats all over the place, so it's kind of an annoyance.
Yeah.
But still beautiful scenery.
See that bridge over there?
Yeah.
Remember that movie with Arnold Schwarzenegger? True Lies? Jamie Lee Curtis?
Yeah.
That's the bridge they blew up in the movie.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey, here they go.
Roger, Mike 01, you're clear to engage.
Driving the boat.
You like that thing?
Yeah, it's fun.
What is it?
It controls the autopilot. It's a remote for the autopilot. It's from the future. It's a close-ass call.
This is Bird Nines. This is a cool little place. You know that one, right? Looks like they're up and they're open. That's awesome.
Sorry, this is Marathon Center. Can you acknowledge and switch to 1-4, please?
Copy that 1-4. Satori standing by.
Okay, sir.
We just crossed under the power lines. We're looking to west to Normal.
Size of vessel cap.
44 feet. 6 feet.
Stand by. Q8, open over.
I read Q8.
That is correct. I just wanted to inform you first that the mooring balls are at your own risk right now. We are in the middle of having them inspected after the hurricane, and we're not positive of all the damage yet that we can't see underwater. So when you get to Quebec 8, take a good look at it, and you can determine if you want it or not. Most of them have been damaged to pickup lines over.
Copy that.
Okay, and do you happen to have a map of the mooring field over?
Yes, I do.
Okay, then you'll see Quebec Row is right as marker 1819.
He'll take away